Everyone, in today's video I want to talk to you about YouTube and monetization on YouTube. So everybody thinks that when you have a YouTube channel and you're monetized, you're going to make a lot of money, and it is not true. I just want to show you the reality of what it is to make money on YouTube. So I'm going to share with you my income with YouTube in the past year. So as you can see, I just made a little bit over $90 for 1 year. I've had this channel since 2021. I haven't been posting every week like I should have. Sometimes I've been posting like once a month, and this is not enough. If you want to make money on YouTube and if you want to grow a channel, you need to post more than once in a blue moon. You need to be consistent. You need to create quality videos, and my videos are not quality whatsoever. I need to really focus on the editing part of it, on the consistency. Try to post maybe twice a week and see if that changes something. I need to grow my subscribers a little more than what it has been growing lately. It's been growing very slowly, and that's because I've been treating this channel as a hobby. So the one thing that is good is that I'm in the right niche. I'm in the making money online niche, which is highly paid in YouTube. So that's a good niche if you want to make money with your videos, but you gotta be posting more than what I've been doing. So that's something I need to work on, and I will work on that for 2025. I'll try to be more consistent. I also want to create this to work on a second channel that I have, but I haven't been doing anything on it, about traveling. So a completely different niche, but I find that those are channels that are growing quite fast as well. People are traveling and like sharing their experiences about different countries. Those channels are doing fairly well, and I've had a lot of experiences traveling, so I want to share that with you all and see if that channel can grow. So I know that the travel channels probably are not making a lot of money, but it is something that I'm super interested in, and I'm sure I can help some people with my experiences. So yeah, so I will be putting the link to that channel below this video. So if you're interested, if you want to follow me over there, you can definitely do so. Um, yeah, and we'll see how that grows. I want to see, like, I want to. That's what I want to see. I want to see if starting on a channel and posting a lot more right from the bat, if my channel is going to grow faster. This one, I was posting once a week when I started, and I was pretty good at that. Like, and I grew the channel a lot more when I was doing that. Then, because of some personal issues, I couldn't post as often as what I wanted, and it kind of really slowed down my growth. So it is good to know you can make money, because yes, you can make money on YouTube, and I'm the proof. I've got a little bit over 3,000 subscribers, and I'm making a little bit of money because I'm just treating it as a hobby. So don't make that mistake. If you want to make money on YouTube, you can definitely do so, but like treat it as a job, as a second job that you have. And that way you can maybe replace your 9 to 5 job with it. If you treat it as a job, it could be your full-time job. So, and it would be more enjoyable than your actual job. So yeah, so my advice to you all, if you want to grow a channel, definitely do it. I recommend that to anyone, because it is interesting. It's interesting. You learn a lot. You need to learn about editing. You need to learn about all the thumbnails, how you can improve them all the time, because that counts. Your description, the SEO keywords, and all that, there's so much into it. It's super interesting, and like searching for topics, and um, it's such a complete type of, I'm going to say hobby because it is my hobby for now. But it is like, no, it's interesting for anyone. And I'm sure anybody can share something about their life that could help someone else. So if you want to share your experiences, or if you know something and you think that could help someone, um, do it, because we're all searching on YouTube about everything and anything, like from cooking to gardening to DIY to like fixing cars. I mean, you can literally create a channel about whatever you want and make it happen for you. If you like traveling, and if you travel a lot, do it as well. Those channels are just like, they're doing so well. So, anyways, I wanted to be transparent, show you how much I made in the past year, and I'll share with you my future results. So I will be posting a lot more and see if anything changes in my growth, in my income, and I'll be happy to share that with you as well. I hope this was useful. If it was useful, please give me some thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'd appreciate that. I mean, if you want to follow me, that would be good if you subscribe. If you want to follow my journey in this YouTube growing channel experience, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you on the next video.